crew immediately. We are here to help. Thank you for your cooperation. Tuan-tuan dan puan, kami di Asia mengalu-alukan anda di atas penerbangan AK5419 menuju ke Johor Bahru. Terima kasih kerana memilih untuk terbang bersama kami. Kami amat mengutamakan keselamatan dan kesihatan anda sepanjang penerbangan dan anda dapat membantu kami dengan menjaga kebersihan diri. Pelitup muka mesti dipakai setiap masa dan tangan mesti selalu dibasuh atau dibersihkan dengan pembasmi kuman.
Come aboard AirAsia flight AK5419 service from Kuching to Johor Bahru. My name is CH Tan and it is a pleasure to be your captain today. Together with me on the flight deck is my colleague, Senior First Officer Clifford, and one in the cabin looking after your safety and comfort is Senior Cabin Crew Zoo, assisted by Natasha, Helmi and Felice. I'd like to take a few minutes to make sure you feel comfortable in the knowledge that flying is safe. We practice stringent health and hygiene practices on board all our aircraft, and before you are boarded, our cleaning of the aircraft took place, and the same will happen again when we land. All of our A320 aircraft are equipped with high-efficiency particulate arresters, also known as HEPA filters. These filters out 99.99% of dust, particles, and airborne contaminants, including viruses and bacteria. Every 3 minutes, the entire air in the cabin is refreshed, so you're breathing the very highest possible quality of air throughout the flight. We're doing everything we can to ensure your safety. We ask that you help us and do your part by keeping your face mask on at all times, wash your hands, practice good personal hygiene, and disembark in an orderly manner as instructed by the crew once we land at our destination. Our departure today will bring us east-westerly track towards Johor Bahru. We plan to 34,000 feet above the sea level, and the weather along the route is expected to be slightly cloudy. Therefore, for your safety, to have your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. As of now, we are ready for departure and we will be on our way shortly. And I'll get back to you later on before the total descent into Johor Bahru. Meanwhile, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Asia. We'd like to extend a special welcome to Asia Big members. This is flight AK5419 bound for Johor. The commander of this flight is Captain C.H. Tan, assisted by Senior First Officer Clifford. I'm a Senior Cabin Crew Zoo. This will take approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes. For your safety, cash items must be placed in the compartments and keep your small items, including laptop cases and handbags, under the seat in front of you. To return to the compartments, please be careful as the compartments may have shifted. For your seat upright, ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, secure trackable to its original position. Keep your window shades fully open. Please switch off electronic devices, mobile phone in flight mode when you use.
Identify yourself. We would like to serve you before landing. If you need any
hot liquids item will not be served at this moment. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing shortly. Please return to your seat. Put your seat in an upright position. Fasten your seatbelt. Secure your tray table to its original position. And keep your window shades open.
Ladies and gentlemen, it was a pleasure serving you today and we look forward to serving you again soon. We'd like to say thank you for choosing AirAsia. This is an important announcement. After landing, the disembarkation process will be done in rows of 3 with an interval of 30 seconds, starting from row 1. Guests waiting to disembark shall remain seated. Standing in line is strictly discouraged. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. Hope to see you again and keep safe. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Senai International Airport. For safety, please remain seated. Usage of mobile phone is not allowed. The fasten seatbelt sign above you has been switched off. To be careful when opening the weight compartments. As a reminder, please check your seat pocket, the weight compartments. Kindly ensure that all your personal and valuable belongings, such as wallet, passport, and trolley devices, are with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. If you need assistance on arrival, do contact our ground staff. Asia Captain C.H. Tan, assisted by Senior First Officer Clifford. The rest of cabin crew member would like to say thank you for choosing AirAsia to your destination.